Hello dear students, good morning. I am G. Gopal Reddy going to start trigonometry chapter for JEE mains and advanced. Okay, we are going to start this topic from the basic level for basic level of mathematics to higher level of mathematics. Okay, let us discuss about what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is the topic which is derived from the three Greek roots: tri, gonia, metron. Tri means three, gonia means angle, metron means measurement. Three angular measurement, that is called as trigonometry. Actually, the another way also we called as Greek words are trigonon, metron. Trigonon means triangle, metron means measure. Triangular measurement is called trigonometry. This is introduced by Hipparchus. Hipparchus is a mathematician who introduced this, who established the relationship between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. That is, he is introduced Hipparchus. Before that, our Indian mathematician Bhaskaracharya, Bhaskara II and Aryabhatta, they have introduced this, but later it is came in the name of Hipparchus. Now, Bhaskaracharya II and Aryabhatta, one is the person who has given the sign name as Jiva, like that. So, trigonometry is derived from the three Greek roots, tri, gonia, metron, and the trigonometry used in various fields like astronomy, navigation, chemistry, number theory, geography, developing the computer music, electronical engineering, civil engineering, architecture, seismology, phonetics, like this in many various fields this trigonometry is used. Okay, trigonometry to find the heights of the building, to find the height, to find the width of the river, all these things you have may learned in the class 10. So, trigonometry used in various fields. Like if I want to say is army, you want to see that navigation in this time, what I want to say here, some countries in another place, some countries here. See, some soldiers are there and some soldiers are here. If I need to target a person of the other country soldier, so which angle, which direction if I keep, and which direction if we keep that we keep the weapon, so it will reach, which angle should be blast a bomb. These all calculations are developed by trigonometry. So trigonometry also used in cricket. You can see the cricket matches, see that they make 6. Dhoni, you can see the helicopter shot and it makes 6, that he may play in a different style. See, most of the Indian players or cricketers, they play different style and it will reach the ball 6. But how it is reached 6? That is, if a ball and bat contacts, it's a 45-degree angle, definitely it will be reached 6. But if the ball and bat it contacts, it's a suppose it is contacting a 60-degree like that, so it will be catch. So that is what you need to know. So various fields this trigonometry is used. Not only in this, only that you don't think that we are learning this trigonometry as a textbook point of view. Not like that. We can use in various astronomy, like it's a great thing, astronomy. Like a day, in a day how many hours are there, that is calculated by Aryabhatta. That is astronomy. Like about the planets, sun, moon, all these are about the planets, like suppose what we can say that Mars, okay, Mars and all that things. So they have sun, moon, some of the scientists are not taking as a planets. Okay, but astronomical way, when Aryabhatta, Bhaskaracharya at that time, they had treated that sun, moon also planet, and they have counted how many in a days, how many hours will be there, in a year how many days will be there. These all they have calculated. Shukla Paksha, Krishna Paksha, like many things they have calculated, and before worlds knows many things, and these Bhaskaracharya, Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Bodhayana and Mahavira, Sridhara, like many Indian mathematicians have developed the astronomy using the trigonometric conditions. Trigonometry used in various fields. It is very beautiful chapter. Is even in the earliest that Ramanujan has introduced the modern trigonometry at the age of 11. So this trigonometry is having wide use in all such fields. So let us discuss about this trigonometry from the basic point of view. Okay. Now, all you know a right angle triangle, you know the right angle triangle, right? You know a right angle triangle, right? So right angle triangle, it is a 90 degrees. Okay, this is let us take a right angle triangle ABC. Let us take a right angle triangle ABC, where this is the 90 degrees line. Okay, now you can take an angle here. Suppose a theta angle is theta, acute angle, because if it is 90 degrees, then sum of the other two angles is 90 degrees. It means the B and C should be acute. So another angle I am taking acute angle. Then you know that this angle opposite side is called, this is opposite side to theta, opposite side to theta we call. Okay, and this side beside one is called adjacent side to theta, adjacent sides to theta. Okay, this is we called here. This is called as hypotenuse. Okay, so the relationship between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle establish the trigonometry. That's what it's. You may people think that only in right angle triangle we use this. No, it can be in equilateral triangle, it can be in isosceles triangle, it can be used, but not right now. Now we are going to learn about only right angle triangles in this topic. See here, JEE trigonometry is a phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, like 3 things will be there. Like in JEE phase 1, we are going to learn about angle and their measurements and component angles, all these things only, and identities we are going to learn. In phase 2, we are going to learn equations of the trigonometry, how to find the equations, the solution of trigonometry. In phase 3, solution of triangles, in different triangles, how we use the things we will learn it. Solution of triangles in class 12th you are going to learn, and in this class 11th you are going to learn phase 1 and phase 2. That is what you are going to learn. First of all, you are going to learn phase 1, that is identities and angles, the relationship between identities, angles, all these things. Okay, transformation of angles, all these things you are going to learn in this chapter. So it is very important chapter for JEE point of view. I just gave this introduction that you should have some idea on trigonometry. That is the reason I gave this thing. Otherwise, these all the things are not required for JEE point of view. It is not required these things for JEE point of view, but you should know what exactly about this topic, right? So here JEE will ask you always 6% from this chapter. Trigonometry completely 6%, but all the other topics, suppose you want to do integration, you want to do differentiation, you want to do inverse trigonometry, all other things, whatever functions, any topic, this trigonometry will be involved. Any topic, like in previously we have done quadratic equation, in the topic also trigonometry will be there. So trigonometry is involved in all the chapters. So the basic formulas and the basic concept of trigonometry must and should you know, then you can understand other chapters. It will becomes easy to solve. So please you have to learn the trigonometry. Now I am talking about the trigonometry in a right angle triangle. If this is the theta, you know this is what we called as hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side. Suppose some students should know these things also. That's why I am writing here. If it is ABC, a right angle triangle, if I take this is alpha, if this is the angle, if I take, for this angle opposite side will be this is the opposite side, this is opposite side to alpha, okay, and this is adjacent side to alpha, okay, and this is hypotenuse. This is not going to be changed. According to the angle we write opposite and adjacent sides, okay, right? And I am not going to explain what these all things, just I want to say, see how many relationships will be possible from this. From this angle is what we can write, AB by BC I can write, right? From this angle I can write AB by BC and BC by AB I can write. From this angle, whatever the relationship between AC by BC or BC by AC, it is forms. So here from this what we can get here, AB by AC or AC by AB. Like that, how many are getting? 6 are getting. So 6 ratios are possible with these sides and angles. That's why they have given 6 names for that all. So you know that sine theta right here, you know that what we can say, opposite by hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse, what we call as that sine theta. Sine theta is equal to, just let us see that what are the ratios we have. So let us here AC by, I can write as according to this angle, AC by BC, I can write AC by BC, and I can write reciprocal of this, and BC by AC I can write it, right? And now if I write here AB by BC, AB by BC I can write, AB by BC I can write, and I can write reciprocal of that BC by AB I can write, and I can write about this also, some about this also, that what I can write as AB by AC, AC by AB, AC by AB I can write, and what I can write as AB by AC, AB by AC. So here about this right angle triangle, between the angles and sides, these are the 6 relationships are possible. So according to their ratios, they given the names to that ratio, to that angle, they given the names. So that names you already know. I just want to tell you the names are sine theta. Sine theta is equal to what? Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is AC by BC. According to this triangle I am considering, in this triangle if I say theta, if I am talking about theta direction, that is sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is AC by BC. Okay. Now the reciprocal of sine is what? This reciprocal of all this you know, so no need to recall that. Just I am recalling once because everyone should know from the beginning. I am going to start from the beginning. So sine theta is nothing but AC by BC, and next sine theta, after what we have cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but what here? BC by AC, BC by AC, reciprocal of this. Okay, sine and cosec is reciprocal. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent, that is AB, adjacent side to the theta by hypotenuse, that is BC, AC by BC, and sec theta is equal to what here? Sec theta is equal to what? Hypotenuse by adjacent, that is BC by AB, right? That. Okay, sine you got, cosec you got, cos you got, sec you got. What is left here? Tan. And the tan theta is equal to what? Opposite by hypotenuse, that AC by AB, AC by AB. It's a very basic class I am teaching you now. Cot theta is equal to what? Cot theta is equal to AB by AC. So these ratios, they have given the names, and these are, so you can know that sine theta reciprocal is cosec, sec reciprocal is cos, tan reciprocal is cot, cot reciprocal is tan. So we are going to learn from the basic of the trigonometry. Okay. See here, students, these are the fundamental identities you should know. Then we will start the problems based on this. Okay. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Fundamental identity is what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Another one is tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. So you can write as tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta minus 1. And third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. And cot, these are the 3 fundamental identities you have learned in the class 10. These also can be written as, I can write as sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Like that you can frame these all the formulas. So here 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Then we can write as cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Here also sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So these all the things you have to know. These are the important identities of trigonometry. That is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. These are the important identities, and these are the reciprocals. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So what we do here, now based on this basics, they ask some questions in JEE also. So just we will solve some questions based on identities. Then I will make you understand exactly what is trigonometry. Like angle is, what is angle? You should know angle. Actually we are going to learn in depth what is about angle, all these things. Okay, like there are 3 measurement of angles, how to measure them, all these things we will learn. Before that, based on this fundamental identities, once we recall the 10th class and basics of mathematics, we will do it, some problems on that, then we will move on the next topic. Hope you understand. Let us wait for the concept. See here, this is the question. Simplify sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. These are the options are given. Let us see how to solve this question. Whenever here we are using the basic concept and we are solving this one. So what we do here, we can write as sin theta upon, whenever you have in denominator 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus sin theta, like these things, whenever you have, you try to rationalize. This is what you have to know. So what you have to do here, you have to rationalize. So 1 plus cos theta, rationalization is 1 minus cos theta, multiply, means it's like here we called as rationalize concept, but it is not exactly that name. So just 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta, just multiply numerator and denominator is 1 minus cos theta. It is not like rationalization, sorry. Rationalize means you are getting a denominator a rational number. No, it's not a rationalization. Okay, so it is 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. You have to multiply to understand you that a word I use, that's it. So here I get as 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. What I said here, you have sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So what I done here, to simplify this, we multiply 1 minus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, now if you multiply this a plus b into a minus b, that I can get as 1 square minus cos square theta, a square minus b square. On the numerator I get here sin theta into 1 minus cos theta, and plus here I am going to get as 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. You can see this 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. So I can write as sin theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by this, I can write as sin square theta, plus I can write here 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. See here, this logic you should know here, this is cancelled out. Now sin theta I can take LCM. If I take the LCM of sin theta, what I am going to get on numerator, 1 minus cos theta plus on the numerator 1 plus cos theta. See here, plus cos theta minus cos theta cancel. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1 upon sin theta. Now just I told you, what is the sin theta reciprocal? Cosec theta. So the answer is 2 cosec theta is your answer. So which option is correct? Option A is right. So likewise we will do the basic problems. Hello, see here, next question. Simplify cos A upon 1 minus tan A plus sin A upon 1 minus cot A. You have the options here. Let us discuss this one, how to deal. Whenever you have a question like this, tan and this, cot, tan and cot, the better idea is convert the tan in sin by cos, like that. Okay, convert tan, cot in sin and cos terms. That is what the better idea. 1 upon cos A upon 1 minus, this tan A can be written as what? Sin A by cos A. Okay, plus this is sin A divided by 1 minus cot A can be written as what? Cos A divided by sin A. Hope you understand here. You can take the LCM here. What I am going to get here, cos A divided by, cos A is the LCM. I can write as cos A once the cos A minus, this is I am going to get sin A plus, and here is sin A divided by, you can take sin A LCM. So what I get here, sin A minus cos A. This is what I am going to get. Now you can reciprocal, this one you can take to the numerator, the denominator take to the numerator, this is multiplies. So what I am going to get here is cos square A upon, that is I can write as cos A minus sin A plus, and this is going to get as sin square A upon, I can write as sin A minus cos A. That's what I am getting. If you observe these both, this is cos A minus sin A, this is sin A minus cos A. To get both same, I can take here minus denominator common. If I take minus common, these both will be same, and that minus will multiply with this plus, that will become plus into minus minus. So what I am going to get here, cos square A upon cos A minus sin A minus sin square A upon this I am going to get as cos A minus sin A. How it is become? After taking minus common. Now you can take the LCM of this cos A minus sin A. On the top you are going to get cos square A minus sin square A. So cos square A minus sin square A square minus B square, that is the formula is cos A plus sin A into I am going to get as cos A minus sin A. You just look at here, this both cancel. So the answer is cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A. Option D is the right answer. Likewise, we will do more problems. Yeah, students, these type of questions you have solved in class 10 maybe, but this is my these are the questions. Why I am explaining is to make you understand the concept clear. Okay, see here, this is the question is asked in JEE Mains 2013. Why I am explaining these basics means basics, based on basics also some questions asked in previous year, so you should know the basic concepts also. So here the expression tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A can be written as, the question is, the options are like this. So yeah, this is a JEE Mains 2013 question. Let us deal how to solve this. Tan theta can be written as, if you are going by this sin by cos, you can get the answer, but it takes long, means many steps. Okay, so what is a easy method to solve this one is, just make this one as, you can try to write tan A as tan A and 1 minus cot A you change into 1 by tan A. Okay, 1 by tan A plus this cot A can be written as 1 by tan A divided by 1 minus tan A. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, then what I am going to get here, if I do the LCM here, tan A is the LCM. Okay, I am going to get tan A LCM. Tan A is the tan A minus 1 on the top tan A. Okay, numerator tan A upon this you got, plus this is when I multiply, the denominator will, this one will multiply with this one, that is I get as tan A into 1 minus tan A I am going to get. Hope you understand. The denominator tan A, if I reciprocal this, if I send tan A into tan A, tan square A. So what I am going to get this step is, I am going to get as tan square A divided by tan A minus 1. Plus this I am going to get 1 upon tan A into 1 minus tan A. This is what exactly same I wrote. If you look at this picture, the denominator here also 1 minus tan A, here you have tan A minus 1. You have here tan A minus 1 and you have here 1 minus tan A. Just take minus common. So what I am going to get here, this is I am going to get as tan square A divided by tan A minus 1, and I am taking minus common here. So this minus into minus plus this I am going to get minus 1 upon this I take the minus common. So I get as tan A into, I get as tan A minus 1. It was a 1 minus tan A, I took minus common, so I got tan A minus 1. So hope you understand here. Then you can take the LCM here, tan A minus 1 into tan A, you can take the LCM. So if I take the LCM of this one, tan A minus 1, tan A minus 1 is same. So tan A will multiply this, I'll get as tan cube A minus, and this numerator is same, this the denominator is same, so I'll get on the top 1. So you are going to get on the numerator, that is A cube minus B cube formula. So let us solve that problem. Okay, here that is A cube minus B cube, I can use the formula A cube minus B cube. That formula you know, A minus B into, I'll write as here tan A minus 1, A minus B into A square. I gave these formulas, okay, I posted in the group. A cube minus B cube formula is what? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Okay, hope you understand this one. Upon what I am going to get as tan A minus 1 into tan A I am going to get. What I was saying here is that this was, I took the LCM, A cube minus B cube, A is tan A and B is 1. This is looks like as 1 cube. So A cube minus B cube. A is tan A, B is 1. So A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. That is I apply. So you can see is that tan A minus 1, tan A minus 1 cancel. On the top, on the numerator, what I get here, tan square A, I gather these both ones. Okay, tan square A plus 1. Okay, plus tan A divided by, I got here is tan A. Okay, I can get like this. Hope you understand. So tan square plus 1 is nothing but the identity I use, that is x square A. So I can get this is as x square A and divided by tan A and plus I am separating this tan A divided by tan A. I am just separating the numerator and denominator. So here tan A gets cancel, 1 I got. So you are getting here 1, here 1. So these C and D not going to happen. Let's see here, this sec square A can be written as, sec theta can be written as, what is the reciprocal of sec? Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So what I can write as 1 upon, sec is the reciprocal of cos, right? So what I can write, 1 upon cos square A, and you can write as tan, denominator is tan. Tan can be written as sin by cos. Tan can be written as sin by cos. If I take to numerator, cos by sin I'll get. So I'll get as cos A by sin A. In that, one cos will be getting cancelled. So one cos will be getting cancelled plus 1. So what I got here, 1 by cos A, 1 by cos A into 1 by sin A plus 1 I got. So 1 by cos A can be written as what? 1 by cos A is nothing but sec A. 1 by sin A is nothing but as cosec A. Cosec A plus you have 1. So sec A into cosec A plus 1. Sec A into cosec A plus 1 is option B, and this is asked in JEE Mains 2013. Let us solve another question. Here students, let us see, this is the question asked JEE 2014. Okay, this question asked in JEE 2014. F of k of x is equal to 1 by k sin power kx plus cos power kx, where x belongs to R and k is greater than or equal to 1, then f of 4x minus f of 6x equal to dash. JEE 2014 this question is asked and options are given. Okay, it's a very important question, make it star for this. These type of model questions are most important for JEE. So here is asking f of 4x and f of 6x. So f of 4, here f of 4x can be written as 1 by, wherever k is there substitute 4. That's what the idea of this question. So wherever k is there substitute 4. I can get as sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. I got the f of 4. Now f of 6 is what? F of 6. F of 6x. That is can be written as 1 by 6. Wherever k is there you write 6. 1 by 6 sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. That is what the idea of this one. So f of 4 you got, f of 6 you got. You have to subtract f of 4 minus f of 6. So f of 4 minus f of 6 value you have to find. So f of 4, that is 1 by 4 sin power 4x plus cos power 4x minus 1 by 6 sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Now I have to find this value. Okay, so what is the idea you use is algebra identity you have to use. This is the most important thing, okay, technical thing. A power 4 plus b power 4 when you have, you can write as this is a square square. Like here you can say that this is, I can write as 1 by 4 sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square. That I can write like this, right? Minus 1 by 6, this is I can write as sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. I can write like this, or I can write cube inside and square out, anything. So what I can write as this is a square plus b square formula. A square plus b square. What is the formula for a square plus b square? That is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That is the most important formula identity we have to apply here. So here 1 by 4, this is I can write as a plus b whole square. That is a is sin square x, b is cos square x. That is a plus b, that is sin square x plus cos square x, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, that is 2 sine square x into cos square x. I can use this formula. Minus, this is I can write as 1 by 6, a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b whole cube minus 3 times of ab under bracket a plus b. That is the formula to be used. So a plus b whole cube formula can be used what here? A plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube, this is whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3 times of a, 3 times of a, b into a plus b. This is what you have, a plus b whole cube. This is the identity is most important. These type of model questions asked by JEE many times. So you should know these are the things. Even JEE 2019 also, these model power 3, power 4, power 6 problems have come across in JEE mains. So what I can write, we can simplify this more and we can get the answer. Okay, what I am going to get here, sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So I can write as 1 by 4, this value is 1. So I am going to get 1 minus 2 sine square x into cos square x minus 1 by 6. Sine square x plus cos square x value is 1. Identity this is. So 1 cube is 1. So 1 cube is 1 minus 3 times of sine square x into cos square x, and you know this one is sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So finally this bracket is closed here. So we can simplify more. Now I can simplify here more, so we get the final answer. To get the final answer, okay, so here what I am getting here, 1 by 4 I got here, minus 2 sine square x cos square x minus I am getting here minus 1 by 6 under bracket what I got here, 1 minus 3 sine square x and cos square x, because you got the sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So I just wrote the down step again here on the top. So let us simplify here and let's see what is the right answer. Let us see the numbers here. This is 1 by 4 and this is minus 1 by 6. So gathered here 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. And here minus 2 times of sine square x cos square x, and here you can see here if you multiply minus into minus plus, and this is 3 by 6, that is 3 by 6 sine square x and cos square x I am going to get. Okay, then he can write as 3 1s are 3 2s gets cancel out. So what I am going to get here, this value will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, and I am going to get here minus 2 times of sine square x cos square x, and this is what I am going to get here. Here I am going to get here 1 by 2 sine square x, right, half sine square x plus half sine square x into cos square x. Hope you understand. Let us see the steps. So here what I am going to get here, when I did f of 4, I have to multiply 4 inside also. So when I have to multiply 1 by 4 inside completely. So here 1 by 4 if I multiply, this is I am going to get half. Okay, so here this one is also going to be get half. So half minus sine square x plus half sine square x will be cancelled. What I want to say here, when I used f of 4 that is 1 by 4, I got as sine power 4x plus cos power 4x. At the time 1 by 4 I did not multiply it inside, that's what I was saying. So 1 by 4 completely I did not multiply. This is what here, a square plus b square, that is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. At the time I get as sine square x plus cos square x whole square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, so that time when I multiply this one, you got 1 upon 4 I got. Okay, and this 4 can be multiplied here, that is 2 by 4, so 1 by 2. So you should get here 1 by 2, this one is 1 by 2, so this is cancelled out. So finally I got this one here, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, and 6 and 4 LCM is you know that is so you get 1 by 12. This answer is 1 by 12. Okay, if we simplify 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, that is 1 by 12. So option B is the right answer. So this is the way to deal this question. You see, is simple, make the correction, that is I have to multiply here. So that way you got 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 sine square x, and this is cancelled out. So you got the answer 1 by 12. Hope you understand. Hello students, this is the last question for today's lecture. This is asked in JEE 2009. What is the question here? Sin power 4x divided by 2 plus cos power 4x divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. Then which of the options are correct? Okay, we have to check which option is right. Let us see here. What is the question is given? Sin power 4x divided by 2 plus cos power 4x divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. What is the idea to solve this question is convert the sign in terms of all the things you convert into sign form. Means if it is there in sign, you can convert this as sign, or you can convert this one in cos. So what I do here, sin power 4x divided by 2 plus, this is can be written as 1 minus, I can write as cos square x whole square. Cos power 4x can be written as cos square x whole square. Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x, and this whole square divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. This is what I am getting. So what I do here, if I do 5, 3, 2 LCM, the LCM of 5, 3, 2 is how much? 30, right? 5, 3, 2. 5, 3 is 15, 15, 2 is 30. So the LCM of this whole thing is 30. So multiply by 30 on both sides. So if I multiply completely with 30, what I am going to get here? So sin power 4x divided, multiplied by 30, right? Okay, you do one thing, later we'll do this. Sin power 4x plus, this can be expressed a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus b square. See here, 1 square is 1, and here sin square x whole square is sin power 4x, and minus 2 sin square x, ab, okay, 2ab we used, upon 3 is equal to 1 by 5. Hope you understand. Now you can multiply, or you can do LCM of this. 2, 3 LCM. What I am going to get LCM here? So most people confused, so I am using this one. So 6 is the LCM. So 3 will multiply 3 sin power 4x, and plus 3 table, this is 2 times. So 2 will multiply this. So what I am going to get here? 2 plus 2 sin power 4x minus 2 to the 4 sin square x, okay, is equal to, I am going to get as 1 by 5. Okay, so now what I can do here, if I do is cross multiplication, see here 2 sin power 4x and 3 sin power 4x, that is 5 sin power 4x. So 5 sin power 4x multiplied with 5, so I'll write first of all 5 sin power 4x minus 4 sin square x plus 2, okay, is equal to 1 by 5 divided by 6. If we do cross multiplication, 25 sin power 4x minus 20 sin square x plus 5 to the 10 is equal to 6. So 6 on this side, that is 10 minus 6, that will be 4. So what I am going to get here is 25 sin power 4x minus 20 sin square x plus this is 4 is equal to 0. So I am getting this way. Okay, if you observe that carefully, that looks like a formula, a plus b whole square formula. You can just observe that carefully. It's look like a formula, a plus b whole square formula. Okay, a plus b whole square formula is, a is what here, 5 sin square x, a plus b, a square, a plus b whole square, and plus minus 2 whole square. Just look at here, a minus b whole square formula, it appears. So you can just expand this one, you get the same thing. So it's look like as a minus b whole square formula. So the whole thing is converted like this. So 5 sin square x minus 2 is equal to square root of 0 is 0. So sin square x is equal to 2 by 5 I got. So I got sin square x is 2 by 5. So I got sin square x is 2 by 5. Then what will be the cos square x? Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So here, so what I can write here, sin square x is 2 by 5. then I can write as cos square x is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5, that is 5 minus 2, that is 3 by 5. So sin cos square x is 3 by 5. Then what is the tan square x? Tan square x is equal to sin square x by cos square x. That is sin square x is what here? 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 5. So you can take up here, this is what I am going to get here. 5 get cancelled, and you are going to get as tan square x is equal to 2 by 3. So tan square x is equal to, you got 2 by 3. Hope you understand. So tan square x is equal to 2 by 3. Option A is the right answer. Option A is right. Still we can see whether the option B is right or wrong. Okay, it was by mistake they asked in JEE, but multiple choice answer this was. Multiple answers were this. So this is correct, so this is wrong. Okay, now then I can go for, this is sin square. Okay, this is a square. So tan square x is equal to 2 by 3 you got here, you got this one. So now let us go for section option B, whether it is right or wrong. So sin square x is 2 by 5, then this is can be power 4, I can get sin square x power 4, I get as 8. So that is, if I power 4 this one, I get as 2 by 5 power 4, that is 2 power 4 is 16, 5 power 4 is 5 5 is 20, 625, 2 power 4, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 5 power 4, 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, 125 5 is 625. And here cos square x is 3 by 5, cos power 4 will be, this will be 3 by 5 power 4, that is I am going to get as 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81 by 625. So I got sin power 8 answer, cos power 8 answer. Let us substitute these values and just check this, the option B is right or wrong. So option A right, option B is right or wrong, we have to check. So option B, what we can write as here, sin power 8x, that is how much I got, 16 by 125, 16 by 125 divided by how much? 8. So divide by 8 is 8, I can multiply here 625, sorry 625. Okay, plus cos power 8x, cos power 8x is how much? 81 by 625 and multiplied with what here? 27, right? Hope I think 27 it is, 27. And this value is equal to how much is given? 1 by 125. Whether it is right or not, we have to check. That's it. So if it is right, then option B is right, otherwise wrong. Actually, option D was 2 by 125. The same thing is there, and 2 by 125 I wrote none, but option B was 2 by 125. Let's see here, 8 ones are 8 twos are gets cancelled. Okay, 27 ones are 27 threes are gets cancelled. So 625 is the LCM. So I got 5 by 625. I got this is 5 by 625. That is 1 upon 125. It's right. Exactly. So option B also right. Option A and B are the rights for JEE 2019 question. Hope you understand. Today class is completed. Tomorrow we will come with more questions and angles. Thank you.